Hello friends, I am Suresh sir from St. Thomas School. Welcome to the Looking Around Class 4 Chapter 1. Before you start a chapter, dear children, please read the textbook properly because all EVS chapters are based on activity. Now let us see. Our first lesson is let us go to the school every day. In the first picture, you can see that some children are going to school by auto rickshaw and some are going by bicycle, some are going by walking in their own ways. Then there is one question, how do you go to school? Please note down your answer. How do you go to school? The next, if you are crossing any bridge when you are coming to the school, then you have to note down. Is there a bridge near your village or city? Then get more information about the bridge and note down. Where is the bridge? Over the river? Over the road? Between two mountains or somewhere else? Question is given. Who uses the bridge? People, animal or vehicles? What are the material used to construct the bridge? Make a list of them. Then very next you have to draw a picture of a bridge in your notebook and draw the other necessary things like train, vehicles, animals, people who cross the bridge. Then there are other ways which children go to the school. The story is given about of Bet Dwarka, where some places of Gujarat are surrounded by water. So boats are used to go to the school as a transportation means. Then have you traveled in a boat? How was your experience? Can you think of any other way by which we can travel on water? It is given there. Let us go to the school everyday part. Next page, camel cart is given, bullock cart is given, and some girls are riding the bicycle and then they are going to their school. These are the ways of how they go to the school. Please read this all, each and every points very carefully, children. Then you have to note down some your observation. Next observation is, can you ride on a bicycle? If yes, then who taught you to ride? How many children come on bicycle to your school? These 2 points you have to note down your observation. And if you don't know, then next class I will give you all the related answers in it. Then my school van. In school van, all the children are sitting and going to the school every day. Next point is, the school is provide this kind of facility. If yes, then what vehicle do you go to school? How you are coming to the school? That you have to note down. Then let us sing a song. Some songs are given. School bus, drive around town, picking up, dropping off and bumping up and down. Turn to the left, turn to the right. This school bus is out of sight. Big, loud and yellow, my bus is really neat. Hop up and take the front. I'll give you the related question answer based on it. Till then, thank you friends. Please study well at home and note down your observation. Afterwards, I will talk about the prayer book writing.